Hey everyone, welcome back to Ortho Implants for Life. If you're in the orthopedic implant industry or looking to start a business in this field, you've landed in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the business of orthopedic implants, how it works, the key players, and what you need to succeed. So, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep getting valuable insights. Orthopedic implants are an essential part of modern medicine, designed to replace or support damaged bones and joints. With an aging population and increasing cases of bone related disorders, this industry is booming. But have you ever wondered who manufactures these implants? How they reach hospitals, and what goes into building a successful orthopedic implant business? Let's break it down. The orthopedic implant industry has three main players: manufacturers. These are the companies that design and produce implants, ensuring they meet strict medical regulations. Distributors and suppliers. They act as the bridge between manufacturers and hospitals, handling logistics and supply chain management. Hospitals and surgeons. The end users who rely on high quality implants to perform life changing surgeries. Each of these players plays a vital role, and understanding how they operate is key to entering this business successfully. Now, let's talk about the business model. There are two major approaches to making money in the orthopedic implant industry: manufacturing and selling. If you own a manufacturing unit, you produce implants and sell them directly to distributors or hospitals. Distributorship and reselling. Many businesses don't manufacture but act as authorized distributors, buying in bulk from manufacturers and selling to hospitals and clinics. Each model has its own challenges and advantages depending on your investment capacity and business strategy. If you're interested in starting your own orthopedic implant business, here are the key steps you need to follow. Research and choose your niche. Are you going into manufacturing or distribution? Focus on a specific type of implant, such as trauma, spine, or joint replacement. Understand regulatory requirements. Compliance with government regulations and obtaining necessary certifications such as ISO, CE, and FDA is crucial. Build supplier and manufacturer relationships. Establish partnerships with trusted manufacturers or raw material suppliers. Develop a distribution network. Strong connections with hospitals and orthopedic surgeons will help scale your business. Marketing and sales strategy. Attending medical conferences, networking with industry professionals, and using digital marketing can give you a competitive edge. Getting into this industry requires effort, but with the right knowledge and approach, it's a highly profitable and impactful business. You might be wondering, how profitable is this business? Well, the global orthopedic implant market is expected to reach $74 billion by 2030. Profit margins in this industry can be as high as 40 to 60%, depending on the product type and business model. Some of the emerging opportunities include 3D printed implants for personalized treatments, biodegradable implants for sustainable healthcare, smart implants with IoT technology for real-time monitoring. Keeping up with trends and innovations can help you stay ahead of the competition. So that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Also, if you're serious about getting into the orthopedic implant industry, make sure you subscribe to Ortho Implants for Life so you don't miss out on upcoming insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.